All right.
So what's going to get it hot?
When
Yeah,
when I give it the juice here in a second is when it's going to get it. All right, nerds, welcome back. We are on the Bobcat case uniloader thing. Glow plug isn't working, so glow plugs, so thing's cold-blooded, she won't start at all. Glow plugs are right down in there. Now the glow plugs we have tested, and we are getting power to the relay, from the relay to the glow plugs. All the glow plugs are getting voltage, and she still won't start without ether. So thinking maybe the glow plugs are bad. I'm gonna pull them, see what they look like, and we'll go from there. But so that's all we're gonna do today. I'll turn on the camera as we're going and give you guys some, you know, as I see cool things or anything important happens with that, and then I'll make a video out of this. So,
Whoa, mine turned off.
oh, it's because you're not recording. You didn't hit the red button up here, did you?
No, I did.
Is the red button
Now
on the
there's
screen?
a red light
Okay.
on.
All right.
Yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
you're dropping temperature.
Is it getting colder?
Yeah, you're down to 71.1.
I mean,
That's pretty
I'm no scientist, but give me a second.
It should be getting hotter. Does the battery got juice?
Yeah, it does. Make sure we don't have a problem with our setup here.
Down to 70.6. You dropped it a whole degree.
All right, 12 volts. All right, you're good. Let go. All right, there are 12 volts. 12 volts at this plug. You got to hit the freaking laser beams. I think you got to hold it. There it is. All right. Now hold the trigger. 70 degrees.
Yeah, dude, you keep dropping.
It should be.
All right, so you want
So
to have
I'm not.
one in second?
I mean, you got one bad. I mean, we could try this rig with every single one and see if they're all three bad, or we could just get
Replace all
three and we toss them in.
And if we find that as soon as we put the one back in, it fires right off. Great.
Yeah, we'll do it one at a time. Okay, I dig that. That's good science method from there. But yeah, that's, I mean, everywhere at every touch of it, we had.
Because you haven't shown them the problem we discovered, or maybe problem.
What, an electrical issue too?
The motherfucker don't feel like it got hot at all.
I didn't heat up at all. It's supposed
Tall.
to get to a couple hundred degrees.
I think they're supposed to glow. I mean, thus the name.
Basically, yeah, dude, that's supposed to get red hot.
All right, so we're back next day. I got a new glow plug chucked all up in here right there, as you can see. So I ended up checking all of the rest of the glow plugs, and every time I checked one, they all didn't work. So, just to make sure my logic wasn't wrong, I went to check this one. And you can see, she glows pretty quick. So we know that glow plug is good. Glow plug, Jesus. So we know that glow plug is good, and the rest of them should be, and our testing method worked, which is pretty sure, but after 3 bad ones, they don't normally all go bad at one time, but this one did. So we're gonna go ahead and wire these bad boys back in, and it should make that thing fire right up. And I'll check in once we get to there, see if it does. This is the first start. See if it'll do it without the old ether. It hasn't clicked yet. That wasn't the glow plug.
Oh, I didn't blow
You
it.
gotta click. Now give her a shot. Well, that smoked out everything in here. Whoa,
I'm sorry, that was me. I leaned on this.
you're good. I just all of a sudden things were moving. I was like,
Yeah. I saw it on camera, but I didn't realize it was me doing it.
Alright. We put a little grinder time on it to clean them up and you'll be done. We throw a little paint on them so they don't rust, and then that'll be them. New pads. Engaged. Not bad.
Bring them up. That was good.
That one was easy. Same story with this one.
Same one.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I went down with the bucket.
Yep.
I tilted the bucket.
Oh, too far.
Too far.
Too far. Oh. Up. 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 Down. Alright, so this one's a little tweaked.
Still fucking easier with that than using the other shit.
Sure.
Alright, I'll pull it up.
Yeah.
This is the implement I need to use.
So yeah, we're gonna play with it some more. We'll see what we see. At this point, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good. I think we're just leaking out all the crap that was in the bottom because the whole tank drained out while we were changing the hoses. So hopefully that's the case and we're fine. If not, we'll be going back through some more hoses. But appreciate you guys checking in on more of this heavy equipment stuff. I mean, it's basically what we're doing nowadays. Got off the LS swaps and on to everyday crap. One of these days I'll get them all fixed. I can go back to Cool Toys, huh? But, all right, like I said, appreciate you guys checking in, and I will see you on the next one.